Guys, welcome back. Let me. What the? So we have more stuff. Again, this is broken.
I see that.
But McDonald's has this new thing. Yeah. Ew. Ew.
Is that the Happy Meal? It comes in a
This is new.
candy bucket?
Yeah, it's called Halloween Pails. So they're pals, but pails.
Yeah.
So I got the witch one. The two other one.
How do you know it's a witch?
Because it has a
I
witch
see
hat
that.
and
Yeah, the eyelashes. I got you.
and the other one says a ghost and a pumpkin. But look, activity on the back. Thousands dresses skeletons with stickers to get them ready for Halloween. We have to do this. Okay, let's start with the wolf guy.
They had stickers?
Yeah.
They gave you a choice?
No, the other two was
Oh,
but of course, the two he wanted was
always.
No mini.
Mini.
Go away. Okay. Wait, what?
Did you, Jack, did you want them
No, you can eat it. Are you going to eat them?
there? I haven't made one.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, don't want to waste them.
This would be too much food for me. I did it last time and I felt
Loaded. Thanks.
a little too much food.
Yeah, I can even pour my nose.
There's some extra too,
Yeah.
Oh!
You must be my new best friend.
You haven't checked out at Target and like, where are the bags at?
Oh. Yeah, right?
I didn't know they went,
Yeah, no plastic.
no plastic.
Yeah. BYOP.
Because they still do plastic in Virginia.
I think they do almost everywhere over here.
Okay, so
I think that was like 99 cents for a bag. It's like, no thanks.
Yeah.
they're actually 50 cents. But here's the wolf guy complete.
Oh,
Looks
yeah.
like we're doing the witch.
That's cool.
Okay, so let's just put this on.
I can't wait to see what's in that box.
Which one?
The one right there.
There's two boxes.
Oh, I can't see the other box.
Okay,
I want to see what's in both boxes.
but wait, what is this? What the? I don't know what this piece is for. It's
Is
weird.
that a Pac-Man plushie over there?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, you still make that?
But we need to put the pants on the witch. We just need to lift up that so we can put the pants on the witch. Beep 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 boop bop beep 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 boop bop beep 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 beep. Okay, here's the wish complete.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, look at that.
Okay. Now that we finished that, and it's like 5 minutes.
Open a box. Open a box.
Which one?
I don't know. Either one.
Among Us or Beast One?
Oh, the other one. Not
Among Us?
No, the other one.
Beast One?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do Beast One.
So I can see what the plushies are. No surprise.
Okay, I need the scissors, which are right here. Just happy.
Careful with those.
It's fine. Open. Okay. Okay, that's a new bear sticker. Black bear, I guess, I think. I don't really know. Here's the pollen. Okay, let's get ready. Crossing fingers it's not Rascal Bee.
Okay.
Because we don't
Well,
like
how many of those you got?
3.
Oh, boy.
Okay. We got the demo bee!
All right. At least it's not Rascal Bee.
That's so cool. I don't...
Is that rare?
No, he's normal.
Oh, okay. Well, at least you got something different.
I don't even know where my other bee swarm... Wait, Dad, are my other bee swarm toys, like, right in my room?
I think that's where you showed me on FaceTime last.
A couple
last week,
times
or
ago.
maybe the week before.
A lot of times ago, like 3 weeks ago.
Oh, yeah. They could be anywhere since then.
But they're all in the hive. I think they're actually
I
right
didn't
up there.
see any over there in the baskets.
Yeah, I think they're in the,
A couple of lids or something I thought I saw. I'd look over there.
Yeah, let me go and grab them. I put it right there, which I think they are.
Try not to make
Yeah,
a
they are.
mess up. See, what would you do without me? I know where all your stuff is. Sort of.
I got one of each bee. The other one of each of my bees.
Okay, I'm getting ready to give you one last little piece. There you go. You have plenty of chicken for
Is there, Chase, is there a rare bee?
Yeah, the gifted versions of bees are rare. I have one gifted. Let me just grab one. Let's get the tabby bee. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Here's the 5 types of bees I have currently. Okay. Now I can add demo bee to the collection.
That's it. Okay.
This is a sticker I'm trying to peel off. Peel the sticker off and then
I
the
don't know
sticker.
if I can or not.
Okay, let's just get to the Among Us.
Maybe.
I'll go grab my Among Us at the end. Or I think I'll go and grab my Among Us right now. Yeah.
Is that the mailman?
Mm-hmm. I saw him across the street.
He comes so late in the day. He used to be here by 9 o'clock in the morning. Well, it was a woman then. Now this guy's doing it. I don't know if he's doing 2 routes. He's got to be to get here this late.
It's possible. I've been seeing a lot of them deliver on Sundays now.
Yeah, well, one of the guys told me that they're like super short-handed.
Which is surprising when you think people would need jobs. But
Well,
Here's these
this
four.
isn't the good
I could
job
just
it
find
used
them
to
right
be.
here.
yeah.
Right here, these guys. I've already seen them now.
You know, they got a lot of competition with FedEx and UPS,
Okay,
Amazon, so they're probably under a lot
I
of pressure.
think it's a new one. Oh god, I think it might be another red. Cross your fingers it's not duplicate red.
Chase, I don't think I can get this back anymore. I can't get it to separate.
Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Let's see.
Maybe you should.
No!
Uh-oh.
Is it red?
Yeah, it's red.
Oh my gosh. Should have got the other pack that we had there. Right? And the second one you grabbed?
Here, you want to take this and your mom can probably pry that apart.
Mom's not here.
Well, you have to wait. That's all. Just wait till she comes home.
I can do it. Just
Oh, well,
making a
then
video.
do it.
But I'm making a video.
These days, you have to be able to multitask.
I know, but then on the video, the only thing is nothing's actually happening.
What are you gonna do with that sticker when you get it? So it's
I got it
sticky?
off.
Oh, it goes on the beehive.
Yeah.
All right, let me go check the mail. Are we done here?
No, we have to open up Pac-Man.
What Sonic is that?
It's Ray. Ray the flying squirrel.
Oh,
Oh yeah, right here.
I never heard of them.
He's from an old one.
Alright, Jack. You want a glass of the fries?
sure.
I'm too full.
This is choking hazard.
This is my apple.
This is a one-piece plushie. How's this a choking hazard?
Hey, did you want any French fries?
I already ate them all.
Oh, is that what was in those little
Yeah.
boxes? Boy, those are small French fry boxes.
Okay, now we have everything. Let's look at everything we got.
Give me half of mine. 6 fries in there. Yeah, it's funny, whenever Aaron's home to bring them here, my dad always gets McDonald's fries.
You like some McDonald's fries?
He sure does. 'Cause that's like one of our pit stops.
I like McDonald's.
Take
I like their single cheeseburger. It's perfect.
I go back and forth between nuggets and Big Mac.
Yeah, I like that too.
Their chicken sandwiches are
Building a Popeyes in town.
oh, really?
I've never had them.
Popeyes is pretty decent.
Yeah, everybody says their chicken is good.
Like and subscribe. Bye.